Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to compare your spending month to month in Trim. Are you wondering if you're spending more this month than last month? Well, Trim makes it easy to compare your monthly expenses. Let me show you how it's done. First, open the Trim app and go to your spending summary or report section. This is where you're going to see a breakdown of your expenses by categories like groceries, subscriptions, transportation, and more. Now you're going to look for the calendar icon or a drop-down menu to select different months. Tap through the past few months to see your spending totals and category breakdowns. Trim will highlight any changes such as you've spent $85 more on dining this month or subscription spending decreased by $30, things like that. You may also see visual charts or graphs that display your spending patterns across multiple months, which is of course super helpful for spotting trends or for setting goals. You want to save more next month? Use this feature to identify areas where you can cut back. That's how Trim helps you to stay on top of your money 1 month at a time. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to view Trim's money saving suggestions, so hit like and subscribe for more practical financial tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.